Hi guys, my name is Marty Torres, 1 Alpha. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ang spiral, symmetry, at fractals. Tara, tignan natin. Ito guys, ito sinasabi nilang fractals. Yan, ayun yung fractals. Ito naman guys, ang sinasabi nilang spiral. Yan guys, ayun ang spiral. Ito naman guys, ang sinasabi nilang symmetry. Ayan guys, nakita nyo na ang symmetry. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Thank you.